Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing this belt tensioner for a dryer and the belt. Diagnosis was I could hear the motor spinning, but the drum was not moving. That's the drum. That's the motor. I could hear the motor spin. I couldn't, and the drum was not spinning. So I dismantled this. I believe it was all but 4 screws to actually take this entire enclosure off. 2 in the back, 2 up front, and then you just lift the front off. Now the kit did come with these wheels here and the little clips, but those look fine, so I'm just going to reuse them. And I'm going to use this graphite dry lubricant. It's not sticky and it doesn't gum up. I'm going to put these on the wheels just to keep them lubed up. Oh yeah, that's now definitely spinny. Okay, that's nice and slick. This wheel is missing from the previous one, which is this one here. It just sits like that. Alright, so what you want to do is take your belt, and it's going to be like this. And you're going to pull that underneath this pulley. And this is the tensioner pulley. And then what you want to do is you want to take that loop and put that loop, that small loop, around this drive pulley here on the motor. And you are going to have to bend this back quite a bit to get that on there. Feels like it's seated in there, so we should be good to go. Yeah, just like so. It's on. All right, we're good to go. That's all in there. And if you want to see how I prop the drum up, I used my shoes like this and made a wedge to hold it up. Alright, let's go ahead and put this front back on and call it good. Alright, I think I have everything together. I just need to get the screws and put the screws back in here. Shit. Now I gotta remember what I did with them. That's the hardest part. Alright. There's a screw here. This is what it looks like. And there is another screw on the opposing side. Right there. Alright, and that's, if you're curious as to how I have this holding the lid up, I have bungee cords wrapped around the roof truss there and just hanging on to the lid to hold it up for me. And these tabs go on the back side of here. I'm guessing I didn't have to take these off, but apparently I did, so it's just supposed to act like a lid and then stop itself. And this is what these screws look like for these hinges. That's the tool I'm using. I think it's like 3/8 or something. And now for the two final screws. It's for the lint trap. That's one. That's two. You know what? Those are probably the wrong ones. I bet you the ones that were underneath there that I put in were supposed to be for that. And I bet you these were for that. Because see the, alright, so the dryer is done. Let's do a recap on here, on these back hinges to open this. 1, 2 screws there. 2 screws here. There are just locking detent tabs here where you just pull this up and that will come off. On this side here, coming from this direction and going into this, there's a screw there, and there's one on the opposing side as well. So right in here, once you remove this lid. And then down here on the bottom, once you remove the lid, then you, I think it's like right about here, there's a tab there. You need to lift this up this way, and then the front of this will come off. And that's it. That's how you access the drum. Alright, let's see. Check it out in here. Lots of bugs. Why can't I spin it? Maybe it doesn't spin by itself, huh? Lots of traction. Alright, I guess I'll have to plug it in to actually see if that works. Anyways, that's it. Peace.